Here's this Hisense inverter running. R32. Sounds nice. You can hear it from here. Kind of sounds like an airplane engine revving up. And there's this AirMech double unit and the Samsung inverter up there. Let's see what else is there. This hallway. You can still hear that thing. It's actually kind of noisy. There's this one. It's a Daikin inverter. There's a Samsung digital inverter. That one is running actually. It's running. It's so quiet. There's this AirMech. I can't tell if it's running or not. And there's this one, Ariston. I've never heard of that brand. 3D inverter, Protec DC, whatever that means. And oh, I didn't see this one. This is an Emerson. I wonder if it has an Emerson Copeland scroll. Probably has an Emerson Copeland scroll in it. And then, last but not least, there's this one, Mitsubishi Hyper Inverter. Let's see if I can zoom in on the data there. 63,000 BTU, I guess. I'm not really sure. And there's this Daikin. Wait, hold on. This Daikin. See if I can get the data. It's got R410A. It is from 2008. And wait, no, 2011. Never mind. 2011. Can't tell how many tons it is, but I believe that's all of them in this place.